Welcome back, Fit for Life Army. Loads of people are out today. It's a nice day in England. So today we've got a ring workout. This is going to be intermediate level. So make sure you watch the beginners video that I've got posted on my channel. Okay, so we want the rings at shoulder width height and then jump up. Turn your arms in a little bit. And then we're just going to pick our knees up. And we're going to hold this for 30 seconds. And if you want the more advanced version, you can keep your legs straight and lift up and hold that for 30 seconds. Knees tucked in, don't lean back, try and lean forward, and keep your hands in next to your waist and extend your legs straight forward. Hold for 30 seconds. Ring dips, 5 reps of 4 sets. Rings about shoulder level, jump up into the position, turn your hands out and your arms out so your elbows are facing towards the back, and dip down. And as you dip down, you're going to turn your elbows back around the other way, keeping your elbows back. As you reach the top, turn out. This is really increasing the tension on your chest and your shoulders. You can either keep your legs straight in front, down, or you can bend them like this. Jump up, turn our wrists and hands and elbows out towards the right and left. And as you dip down, back to neutral again. Elbows pin back, straight up. Keep your arms straight the whole time. It's very hard to talk when you're doing this. And also the cows are not helping. All right, get your rings up so your rings are above your head. Straighten your arms and let your body relax. Completely relax into this one. And then as you pull up, you've got to pull your scapula back and down. So as you pull up, scapula down and up. So one movement like this. And if you look up, it's going to make it a little bit easier. So if you watch this position here, I'm going to pull my scapula back, look up and pull. As you pull, you can turn your arms in a little bit as well. So you're contracting your back and your lats. So with the chin-ups, we're going to do 4 reps of 5 sets. Advanced chin-ups, hang at the bottom, scapula down, pull up, and as you reach the top, extend your legs forward. And then down again. Scapula back, reach up, hold this position, and legs forward. And you can hold for as long as you want. I usually max out on this. So the pistol squats, again, rings at shoulder height. We're going to come down on one leg, and we're going to just use our arms a tiny bit to pick ourselves up, depending how strong you are. I need to work on my legs, so I'm picking myself up a little bit here. But as long as you're doing this nice and safely, you'll be fine. There we go. Just do 6 sets. And 3 reps. Switch to either side. You can put your leg out like this. You're gonna come down nice and slow. That's 1 rep. Next leg, come down nice and slow. I'm not using as much pulling power here now. I'm using mostly my legs. But if you're stronger, then just use 1. Come down with 1 and pick up again. So when doing the rows, I like to have my rings about thigh level. So as you're doing these rows, you want to keep your body straight, and as you're pulling up, keep the rings to your chest. You do 10 reps and 4 sets. This is the advanced version, so we're all the way on the ground. We're going to pick ourselves up. Legs out in front, nice and straight. Keep your body straight and chest up. Rings coming to the chest, and contract your back as you're coming up. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like this video.